Gentlemen, first I will deliver my rebuttal. Here I have 2 points of rebuttal. The first one, when the government said that in the end of the day, when this merger and this acquisition will still happen, there is bring many harm, which is there is more do a time consuming and there is more complicated to combine the two products of their company example, and it is more bring a harm from the workers itself, ladies and gentlemen. But we say here that even if it is happen, it is still okay anyway, because what the government worried about that all of that, it is still happen in their case, ladies and gentlemen, because when they are be an independent company, like there is any Facebook, there is also any Instagram, WhatsApp, and Gojek example, and etc. And at the end of the day, they have a lot of competitors, right? So the competition be more tight in the end of the day. Like they need do a new thing. They need a lot of develop their product itself, ladies and gentlemen. Like to develop their products, it is need a lot of time also, right, ladies and gentlemen, and it will be more complicated. So this polarization spectrum is be more wide, like the competitor be more many, and it is in the end of the day will be more exploit the worker itself, because the worker should to hard work to have a innovation for their product itself. They exploit worker to make the worker should develop their product and example, ladies and gentlemen. So in the end of the day, the government can get their goals, because it is be a contradiction of their goals, right, ladies and gentlemen. So the government can reach their goal. And also the secondly about the users itself, which is the users don't consent to give their data to this acquisition or this merger company, ladies and gentlemen. But why? In the end of the day, these users it still consent to do it, and I will explain it in my argument. So my rebuttal of these things will be integrated in my argument. So coming up to my setup, ladies and gentlemen, what happened in our world right now is there is any this merger and acquisition in tech industry, which is the merger is occurs when two separate entities combine forces to create a new joint organization, and also this acquisition refers to takeover of one entity by another, ladies and gentlemen, like what the Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp do its acquisition, and also the Tokopedia or Gojek do is a merger, or Google, which Google buying YouTube in example. But the problem is when the government want to evaluate the motion this condition, because it bring many harm for us as a user itself. But actually we know that when it is not happen at all, even if it is happen, it is still more harm when in the government case also, ladies and gentlemen. And it will, but when it is not happen, it will bring good than harm. So what we want here is we want to keep this context or this condition still happen, because it will be better in the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen. And what we want to prove here to win in this debate section is the first one, why in the end of the day it bring more better in our case, and secondly why it will bring more harm than good. So coming up to my argument, I have 2 points of argument. It's all about justification, two layer of argument. The first one, as I said before, which is when there be an independent company, the competition be more tight, right? They have many competitors, and also the government say that there is any big company like Facebook who acquisition the small company like Instagram and WhatsApp itself. So there is any big company like and the small company itself, right, ladies and gentlemen. But why in the end of the day the competition will be more tight because there's many competitor, right? So they have to fight to get a more investor, which is the big company can get a lot of investor, because they have a big model for develop their product. In example, they have ability to develop their product itself, like to buy the good worker to more develop their product, ladies and gentlemen. So in the end of the day, only the big company who can get a lot of investor, but the small company is cannot do that, ladies and gentlemen. So it will be toxic, right, in the end of the day. And secondly, it's about the user, which is the user will not give their data to this acquisition or this merger company. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that in the end of the day, these users we give it the term and condition, right? The term and condition still exist. They have the consent to click this term and condition, so we assume that the users consent to do it. Or even if their term and condition it is a long and worthy, we as a company we do it because we want this happen. We want to the users know clearly about the term and condition that we want, right, ladies and gentlemen? So it is okay anyway. And also the users have a burden to choice. Even if it is happen, it is okay. Like what happened in the government side of the house, even if they want to have, there is no harm anyone, but there is still any exploitation, right, in their case. Even if there is any acquisition, their company have their own right to do anything they want, like the WhatsApp example, they have an encryption chat an example, so they can be arbitrary to exploit the data of the user itself. Or even if it is still okay, it is happen, it is still okay. Because why? Because in the government side also still happen, like they're stealing of the data, like there's any hacker, there's any espionage and etc, which is will be something that normal, right? Like in the China example, there is only WeChat, which is it is a spying by the government. The government can spy it at all, the government can see what you happen. But even if the government do it, this users still want to use this technology. So even if they know the cost to use this technology, they to use this social media example, they still use this technology within the concert. So they are still rational, right, to do it. So this is valid. In the end of the day, they know the consequence, they know the risks, like my data can be stolen, but I still want to use this technology in example, ladies and gentlemen. And also the government only blame merge and acquisition, but they don't explain how in the end of the day, when this merge and this acquisition not happen anyway, then suddenly every single hardness that they mention about are not happen in their case of the house, ladies and gentlemen. So in the end of the day, what we do here is something that can make this be more better anyway than their case, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why we as opposition, we want to oppose this motion and still doing this merge and this acquisition, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.